Hello teachers, my name is Elvis. I'm PhD teacher from Mozambique and today I want to share with you a very important tool. Okay, how can you create a portfolio to keep your practice? Okay, the year is beginning and I'm sure you're going to do amazing things and you want to save all those things. It's important for you to have your own portfolio to save all important things that you can in future you can share with other teachers, and you can also go back and reflect and see areas of improvement for you in the next academic year. So I'm going to share with you, I'm going to teach you how can you create a portfolio to save your practice. Okay, first, before that, I'm going to show you some portfolio that I already have. I have one in Weebly, but it's not the tool I'm going to show you today. So this is my portfolio. Okay, it's Weebly. This one I use the Weebly. So obviously you can use the Weebly. It's very easy. Just go on Weebly.com and create your account. It's free. Okay, there's a free version. So this is my portfolio. I keep here all the things I have about teaching. Okay, so I have here curriculum process. I'm talking about international education, overall of philosophy in IB programs. Here I have a teaching learning. I have a learning theories, teaching methodologies, um, differentiated teaching strategies. I have assessment, and I have a lot of different tools. In another video, I will make sure I will explain you each one of these areas. Okay, so I have a lot of things in this portfolio. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how can you do this. How can you save your own activities, your amazing lessons that you have into your portfolio that you can always go back and see. I have another one here. This one, and actually is the one I'm going to teach you because you're going to do Google Sites. Okay, so these are one of the portfolio. Just let's make a preview here. This is a portfolio I created in the school I'm working. Actually, I create, as you can see here, there's a junior school. I teach MYP and PYP, so I have all the year from year 1 to year 5 just to keep evidence for these classes. And I have here senior school from year 6 to year 9, also keep evidence. We have here swimming program. I also created a space for that. I have a junior school here and I have a senior school enrichment. Okay, so this is the home page of the website. So I have here a small introduction about the site and our mission. So this is the team. My colleagues, Janet is a swimming teacher, and Simiao is also a PAP teacher. So during our planning, and we have here some pictures, and I have here the IB learner profile. Okay, so this is just one of the sites I have here. So now I'm going to teach you how to create your own site. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Okay, first you just go to the Google site. Just go to the Google and write Google Sites. Okay, so this will have you look, and you can have many sites. So if you go to the Google site, you can have here, this is the home page of the Google site. So it gives you a blank, or you have some portfolios already that you can just open and edit. Okay, and create your own portfolio. So so you choose which one you want. Basically, let's choose this one, a blank one. Okay, empty, so that you can start at the beginning and create your own site and save everything that you want to save. Okay, so let's start. So this is your page. First, you're going to give a title. Let's call MYP PHE, MYP PHE. Okay, let's say I'm giving this site. You can come here and create a site name. I'm going to call this site, let's say being active. It's just idea. You can actually choose anything. Okay, so you can come here and change the background if you want, but for now we can just keep like this. You have here, you see, change image. Here we can just upload image. Let's see if I have something here to upload. It's very easy. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. There's some juggling pictures here. Okay, let's create this one. I'll use this one. Okay, so that's the page. You see, we already have something beautiful. And you can just go down you start and create your own site. Okay, so we have here the head. So you see this side, we have insert, pages, and themes. So you can go to the pages. Let's say you want to create your own pages. Okay, your own page. So you have your home. Okay, this is one of the page. There's a plus down here for you to create another one. Okay, just click here and say what page number one. Just write let's say you want to say senior school. Okay, senior school. Okay, let's say done. Okay, and create your own page. So you have here the page senior school. You want to create another page here. Okay, it's easy. You just come here and create again. Just click once and say grade 6. Okay, done. You have another page here. But if you want, you see this page here. Okay, this page, if you want, you can actually put inside of a senior school. Okay, so you see, you have to grab it and just put there inside, and now it's in. So you create another one. You just say grade 7. You said done, and then it's always automatical here. Okay, or if you don't want to be inside, you can just say set as a home page. Okay, it will be the first page to go out. Okay, unless you can add a sub page inside of that one also. Okay, if you want, but let's cancel. Let's bring it back. This one was here, was not a home page. Okay, was inside here. Grade 7 inside them. You can also create a page inside of that page. Okay, so I want to show you something interesting here. We have those options down there. Okay, you see, set as a home page, it will be the first one, or you want to duplicate the page. Okay, but we don't want to do that. Now we want to take it out. Okay, so for you to take it out, you see now this is the own page, is this one. Okay, it's alone here. For you to put inside this one, seniors could just grab it and put inside there. Now it's a sub page of this one. For you to take it out, just grab it, go down. You see, now it's alone, it's open. You can now edit it. Okay, let's say you want to change the name. Just double click there and call grade 8. Okay, okay, let me just give a space here. Grade 8. And I want it to be inside of senior school. Okay, so you can actually create another pages. This is just examples. Home, grades. Okay, so let's continue. Do you change this? Okay, just write again MYPPHE. Sorry, MYPPHE. Okay, this is the name. Okay, so you can come down here. Okay, you see, just make a double click here, down here, double click. It will ask you what you want to do. Okay, you want to add image. Okay, or you want to write something. Okay, so let's say you want to write something here, normal here. So you can just write introduction. Okay, select this and okay, so select. You can put in the middle. Okay, let's bold and some here in the middle. Okay, and you want to teach, you want to say which standard is this one. Let's say phase 2, just coming black like this, beautiful. Or you can actually change also, move this camera to this side. You can come here again, so you choose here, or you want to make standard phase 1, it's come here like bang. Here standard, it's normal, or you can create phase 2. Okay, you can actually measure this. I can make just a title like this, introduction. You see, now you are building your own site. Okay, so here you just put any text you want. Okay, just write anything you want. Let's say now you want to save things. Let's say I can just click here on grade 6. So this is your grade 6. Okay, this is your grade 6. So you want to put other things here. Let's say you did you have some pictures for your students and you want to add here. Just click here, images, upload. Okay, you come here. Let's see what I can upload. Let's see, this can have education. This on a picture can upload here. Okay, and if you want to add a link, just click here, and then let's say you want to add a video here, just click and put it here. Okay, now let's say you want to add a video. Okay, you have a YouTube video. Just you have here all the options down here. So you have YouTube video. You just grab this. Okay, click there. It's not grabbing, just try to click it only once. Okay, so you have here, you have to put the link. Okay, you can go to YouTube. Let's say one of these video. Okay, so this is my channel. I can just come here. This is my YouTube channel. I have only jump rope videos here. So let's say you want to select one video. Okay, let's try this one, how to jump with the cross hands while you cross your hands. Let's copy the link. Okay, and you go back to your site and paste. Okay, so you have here, so you have the video here. Okay, and you select the video. Okay, submit the video. So here's your video. Okay, so before you you add the easy way to add your video here is like this. First you upload on YouTube and then you bring it here. Okay, and you can put a title here. Start here. This is here. Okay, let's say you want to put the title this side here. Okay, jump rope. Okay, beautiful here. Click in the middle. Let's make it like beautiful. Okay, so you already have something in grade 6. Obviously you can organize better than this. Okay, obviously you can organize better and beautiful than this. This is just an example. And if you want to also to put different resources, you can. I just use speech and video because they are common. And then you can go back, okay, to your home page. Okay, this is our home page. Actually, we had introduction here. You can write again. Introduction. Sorry. Yes. So here we bring in the middle. Let's make it a title, and let's make it phase 2. Okay, and once you finish uploading your information, okay, you have a lot of tools here. Just make sure you use it, and you'll make sure you'll understand how to use them. So if you practice more and more, you'll understand how to use them. You can publish here. Okay, you can publish. Okay, so your name of your site is being active. Okay, being active. Okay, so you can just publish your site. Okay, now your site is public. Okay, and you can share the link. See, copy, publish site link. Okay, here you can copy the link and share with someone. Okay, let's say you want to share with your colleague, you want to share with your students. A specific here. Let's say if you want to share something in grade 6, you actually can also add your task here if you want. Okay, you can add your task here and then share with the student. You can upload units here and then share the students. Okay, so that link, you see, if I come here, I click the link, okay, and enter. So you see, here's the site being active, MYP introduction. You see, very beautiful. Okay, there we go. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to help you. Follow this website and you can subscribe to my channel, Batagas do rope skipping, so you can see a lot of video of jump rope in case you have any doubt. And please, if you want me to share with you any tool, please just ask on the comments and I will be happy to do so. Thank you so much, and see you. Hope you enjoy. Okay, bye.